Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. This is the pedal box which gets very hot in the summer, and in this video I'm going to cover most of it in gold to hopefully reflect the heat. So let's get into the video. Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. This is the pedal box which, unsurprisingly, has the pedals inside, and it also gets very hot in the summer, which isn't ideal. I'm sure there are lots of reasons for this, including the engine and exhaust heat. I've heard stories of racers melting their shoes in the summer because it gets so hot. I've also heard that using gold to reflect the heat works well, so I want to give it a try. I've chosen this product to use because it was on the Tweeks website, and it also had in the description that it withstands temperatures up to 450 degrees centigrade. There could be better products out there to use, I've no idea, but this is what I used. First, to take off the pedal box cover. There are a few bolts holding it in place, and there are two that are a bit of a pain to get to. I used some panel wipe to clean the cover first to hopefully get the gold to stick to it better. I also used the same product to wipe on other parts of the pedal box before sticking the gold to it as well. My plan is to wrap the cover, which I think will be easy enough, and then to make some kind of template to cover the front of it and then to cut it out. I'm sure having more of the gold to reflect heat lower down would also make some difference, but this stuff isn't cheap, so I will see if this makes a difference first before adding more. I thought while the fixings were off, I could replace them with black ones, and also change the P-clips to black ones also. It's always nice to make bits look nicer on the car for a small cost, or a bit of TLC. I bought this pack of P-clips from Amazon, and I also replaced a few other P-clips on the car. I think this pack might be helpful in the future, so I'll leave a link in the description below. Here is the template that I used to cut a piece for the front of the pedal box. I think it is quite hard to get the gold to look neat, so I'm happy with what I've done. I'm sure I could do a neater job if I did it again though. It's winter at the moment, so I won't be able to test if this makes any difference for a while, but I will report back when I have, when we have some warmer weather. Let me know in the comments below if you have done this yourself and if it works or not. I will leave links to the products that I've used in the description below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, as it really helps a small channel like mine. If you do like the video, please give it the thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.